Hey there! We are back with another Canva design video. This time, we are going to design this colorful unicorn t-shirt design. If you are new to the channel, please check my Canva playlist video, where you will find very helpful tutorials. For my design mockups, I always use Playseat. You will find a link to a 1-month free trial in the description. Now let's start designing. From your Canva home screen, press the Create a Design button. As usual, we are going to enter a size of 4,500 by 5,400. These are the standard print-on-demand dimensions used by Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. Once you have your design board created, go to the Elements tab on the left menu. Search for a unicorn illustration graphic to use for the design. You will find many results provided in Canva. Take your time until you find the best one for your design. Just make sure to find a unicorn of which you can change its colors. I will change the colors of my unicorn because I think these colors are a little bit soft. You can change the colors from the upper menu. You have to select your unicorn first to see the color menu appear. If you still can't see this menu, this means your unicorn graphic has only one color and can't be changed. Once you are happy with the colors, go to the Share button at the upper right menu to download your unicorn graphic as a PNG. Make sure to delete your background first, and click on the Transparent Background button. By doing that, you can upload the unicorn again to use as an image. Upload the unicorn image and place it on your artboard. Now you can create a glow around your uploaded unicorn image, which is not possible to do unless you are using an image or a PNG file. You can change the transparency of the glow to 100 and the size to the maximum. This will create a stroke around your unicorn, which is important for our design. Now, let's add our text. To do that, press the letter T on your keyboard. Or, simply choose the Text tab from the left menu. You can play with your text options from the upper menu. You can change your font, the font size, and the font effects also from the upper menu. You can always make another copy of any text or graphic element on your board by pressing the Alt key while dragging your text. Now, I will add a background to my artboard since my design is made for a black t-shirt. Now you can see that the glow effect that we created around the unicorn serves as a drop shadow on the unicorn. It also separates the unicorn of the text behind it. Now I will search for trademark elements to add some more graphics to the design. I will keep adding more graphics by searching for words like ISO and trademarks. If you feel that the video is going too fast, you can always slow the video speed to catch up. Now, to fill the left part of my design, I decided to add some random text. You can search for random texts on Google. Just copy any part, then place it on your design. Adjust your text and rotate it to fit the area you want. Now, for the right part of my design, I decided to add some streetwear elements. Just search for streetwear stock and use the graphics you like. We are almost there. Just some additional streetwear elements to add to the design and we are ready to go. You can always group your design elements together to make it easier to move. For the final part, delete your background and download your design as a PNG. You now have a high-quality design that can be uploaded to any print-on-demand website without a problem. It is important to note that you need a Canva Pro account to download your design. You will find a free trial to Canva Pro in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.